Hi guys, I am Dan from K-Tec Racing, and another product spotlight here for you is on an amazing product that we do. So this is our own coilover kit designed for us especially. So I'm going to walk around to the table and show you a bit more. Follow me. So this is our own coilover kit designed specially for us. You can see all of the items are marked up with K-Tec Racing on. We've got our own K-Tec product numbers. This is for Clio 2 and these are for Clio 3. So I don't think there are a more budget-friendly version of coilover on the market than the K-Tec Racing ones that we offer for Clio 2 and 3. These are specially made for us, designed and tested for us, and they're absolutely fantastic. For the money, they're absolutely brilliant. They're mainly for road use and fast road use, and the occasional track time as well. If you're doing a lot of track time, we would recommend another coilover setup. But yeah, this is for an entry-level coilover kit. This is fantastic for the money that you're going to get. So the Clio 2 kit is fully adjustable for height. So the front will actually drop down to 60mm and the rear will drop down to 45mm. So you can sort of adjust to the stance that you want depending on what you're using the vehicle for, which is absolutely fantastic. It comes with a 2-year warranty as well, so if you have a problem during the first 2 years of having the kit, obviously we will warrant any issues with that, so that's a really nice part of it. So even though they are sort of more of a budget line entry-level kit, you've still got that sort of cover on the product as well. So it's obviously a well-made product there for you. It's got adjustable front camber as well, so it's got camber nuts that you can adjust the front camber on, which is quite rare on, again, a budget sort of line kit, but something that we wanted to introduce to the Clio 2s. So the kit obviously comes with adjustable spanners as well, so you can adjust the ride height at any time. And a great addition to this kit is the top mounts. So this isn't included in the kit, but you can also buy this on our website, but that will obviously mean you can adjust the top mounts. So if you are doing a bit of track time, that's sort of really recommended as well for you. So this kit will fit all 172s and 182s as well. So it covers the whole range of Clio 2. And they're really, really well priced. So these are on our website for $299 plus VAT if that applies to you. So for $299 for a coilover kit is like ridiculously cheap. So it's a great entry-level kit. If you're doing a bit of track time, this is a great kit for you as well. So head over to our website, check that out, and make a purchase. So this kit here on this side of the table is for the Clio 3 RS model. So this will cover everything pre-2010 and 2010 onwards. There's not a massive amount of difference between the Clio 2 and the Clio 3. You will notice that it has got a few different colour changes. These are slightly different and anodised in the yellow. But basically they are effectively the same kit. Now the only difference really between these two is that this will drop the rear by 60mm instead of 45mm on the Clio 2s. So front will drop to 60, up to 60mm, and the rear can also go to 60mm drop as well. So that's the main difference on that. Still get the adjustable spanners as well in this kit, and yeah, obviously you get everything else. This also does come with, you can buy additionally, the same as the Clio 2s, the top mount kits as well for the Clio 3s, which are fully workable with this kit. So that's a really nice upgrade again if you're doing some basic track time. This kit is exactly the same price as the Clio 2, so this is $299 plus VAT for a full coilover kit on the Clio 3. You won't find a better priced kit on the market other than our K-Tec Racing kit for the Clio 3. So make sure you head over to the website and purchase one of these.
Got to say, I've driven a couple of these now, but taking them down these little spirited B roads is it just feels really good. So yeah, they just feel absolutely great. The vehicle, obviously, with it being a coilover kit, they're much more improved over the stock OEM shocks and springs. Even if you were on lowering springs, you'll notice a massive difference on the coilover kit in the handling of the vehicle. Obviously, you can set it at whatever ride height you want. These obviously will make your car stance a lot better, lower centre of gravity, better handling as well.
So we were asked by a lot of our customers on our Instagram account about this kit for the Clio 2 and Clio 3. So we've got some questions here that have been asked directly to us. So the first question is, would the Clio 3 kit fit on a standard 1.2 TCE? The answer is no. This kit is specifically designed for the RS model, so no, unfortunately the 1.2 TCE wouldn't fit on that. However, I believe that we might have a couple of other brands that might do a coilover kit for that. So get in contact with us and the team can obviously advise you on that. One of the other questions was, basically, do we not find it stiff enough on track? Can somebody buy stiffer springs? So no is the answer to that. Basically, the springs that it comes with are the springs that you get. They're the only springs that are there that we provide. They're designed for fast road and the odd track day. So it might be a bit too soft if you want to use it as a really hard spring. So one of the last questions we were asked was, what's the difference between the Clio 3 coilover setup and cup shocks and uprated springs? So there's a couple of things and reasons why it's best to go for the KTR coilover kit. One is that the dampeners are different in our kit and superior to the cup shocks. So that's one advantage. The other advantage is that if you were to go for Genuine Renault products, it would likely work out more expensive than our £299 plus VAT kit. And also Genuine Renault, a lot of the items are on back order, so there's a good chance you're not going to get it anytime soon, whereas we have these kits kept in stock all the time. And the last point is ride height. So obviously with cup shocks and uprated springs, you're set at a ride height, whereas these are adjustable, so you can go up 60mm on the front and back on the Clio 3. So the ride height is a big part of it as well. So those are the questions that we've got asked, guys. I hope that's quite an informative little product review for you. Like I say, we keep these in stock on our website, so go and check them out and hopefully you make a purchase.